Alright now, y'all, party in there, okay? Sit down. Sit down there, y'all. It's about time, I say. Bedtime. Listen here. I'm gonna hereby call into session the 200th annual meeting of the League of Pompous half-season Gentlefolk. All together now. For 200 years now, our holy covenant has been dedicated to the opposition of the tyranny of the nasal drip.
Oh, absolutely.
Cause y'all want to know something right here?
Yeah.
I'll tell you. I let the devil himself reach up from the pits of hell with a big old devil fella. Maybe try to tickle my nose up a little bit. Maybe try to irritate my nostrils. But y'all want to know something? I'll tell you right here. I'm not gonna sneeze. Say it here. I let the devil himself, that big old red motherfucker, something else. I let him try to permeate the atmosphere with allergens and pollutants. But you want to know what, brothers and sisters? I'm gonna say it. I'm not gonna sneeze. I said, listen here, you big obese mother something mother, big old red, something else. You can take my soul. You can have my kids. But I ain't ever gonna sneak. I said, what I said was, I'm never gonna sneak. Sneeze! That's a half sneeze! That's what we're all about! Brother Joshua, I do dearly hope that what my ears just heard witness to was the sound of a clumsy sparrow flying headfirst into an Alabama Tesla coil, and not the sound of you laying waste to 2 centuries worth of tradition.
Wow, Pastor Elijah, whatever do you mean?
Oh, Brother Elijah, I am a man of principle who does not have time for games. I'm going to ask you to take your chip and meet me right there for the judging stool.
The stool. The judging stool.
The stool today. I ain't ever want to do this.
Stool.
I'm never glad when I have to do this. I ain't want to do this. Oh, Lord. Lord, give me strength. Lord, give me strength.
Oh, God.
Give me strength.
He's got it out.
You ain't any idea what you just done here, boy!
Oh, I'm sorry, Pastor Elijah. I didn't mean to do it. It's just that this here suit is made of 100% pure cashmere.
No, he didn't now.
Which I am definitely allergic.
No, he didn't now.
I know I shouldn't have worn it, but it just made my eyes look so dreamy.
Well, your dream is quickly becoming a nightmare now, son, because it's your representative and gentlefolk.
Banished?
Banished and banned, I say. Banned from all nasal care products for as long as you want this here reward.
Why you can't do that?
Oh, you hold your tongue down there, boy. I got friends in high places. Never again will you ever feel the tender grip of a breathe right strip. Never again will you ever feel the utter rush of Sudafed unclogging your nasal airways. And never again will you ever feel the utter jubilation, the pure nirvana of saline spray getting all up inside your nose, getting all up inside of there, making it all sorts of nice and wet and such.
Lord have mercy.
Brother Joshua, I hereby send you to walk from here on out to the end of your days in a state of constant nasal hell, I'ma say it, irritation.
You gotta have mucus coming out of your nose and mouth and ears, and you're gonna be a big old booger monster.
This is a woman and I'm making things a little bit.
That's enough.
Boogers.
Now that's enough. Now y'all here. Now, I may have lost my honor today, but I still have my dignity. Therefore, Pastor Elijah, I will take my punishment and whatever consequences may accompany it.
Brother Joshua, I'm going to ask you to relinquish your members' handkerchief.
Oh, hush. Give it up.
And leave this place forever.
Very well, but I ask for you to have mercy and just let me have one more blow of the nose.
Ooh,
What's the fuck?
he wants a blow of the nose, do he? He wants a blow of the nose, ladies and gentlemen. You want a blow of the nose? I'll tell y'all what. First and foremost, before anything, I am a man who believes in justice. But I also believe in mercy. So, I'm gonna let you have your blow of the nose. But I am gonna hold this here handkerchief, because such sacred garments should not touch the hands of lowly sinners. Yourself. You may blow. You look at me now. You get out of my saddle.
Oh, Pastor, will we ever see him again?
Perhaps in another life, Clementine. Perhaps in another life.
in life. Have you tried almond Snickers? Snickers with almond inside of it. Take a leap of faith and try a goddamn almond Snickers right now. You want to see my knife? Dragon stitch, butterfly knife, right? Butterfly effect. What's your purpose? Hey, I got a question for you, kid. You like my knife? Big boy hours. Why are you on the planet Earth? Is it to fuck around and eat Reese's like a good boy? This country is falling behind. What's your purpose? I just sell almond Snickers. There's still peanuts inside of it too.